Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Nota Nota saying Oh, so he was recently given this court order. I think the court order aka.
So what KO should be doing is finding the nearest rope or finding a concrete block to put on his feet and then finding a river to jump into. I'm serious because I swear for as long as I'm alive, he will live in hell. I will.
He's busy accusing KO aka. Guys, oh, he's very disrespectful and must taste his own medicine because I gonna stop. Someone has to put a stop. And then Cyan. Oh, guys, this man is beginning a mapuli. So Cyan trying to log in again to account to Seemah. I don't know if Seemah because Seemah is definitely defending her. As in, and then Chef Xolani recently apologized. But kids, some South Africans were angry. And then Lisa say, guys, the baby girl finally found justice. And Buriake will be. At least, guys, now we will find out what's going on baby girl. All thanks to the South Africans. Ooh, I ate this I perish and we've been through a lot. Keep on watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.